Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle some common skincare myths that have been floating around forever. I'm a skincare enthusiast who loves busting myths with science-backed facts. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our skincare tips and tricks. Let's dive right into debunking these skincare myths. The classic cloudy day myth. Many people think that on overcast days, the sun's harmful UV rays are not as strong, and they skip sunscreen. But here's the truth: UV rays can penetrate clouds and cause skin damage. Sunscreen is essential every day, rain or shine, to protect your skin from premature aging, sunburn, and even skin cancer. So, don't forget your sunscreen. Let's talk about a myth that can cause more harm than good: popping pimples. I get it, it's tempting, but trust me, it's a skincare no-no. Popping pimples can lead to inflammation, scarring, and even spread bacteria, making the situation worse. Instead, treat pimples with spot treatments containing ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid, and be patient. Your skin will thank you later. It's time to debunk the myth that splurging on pricey skincare products is the only way to achieve flawless skin. The truth is, effective skincare doesn't have to break the bank. Some expensive products may work wonders, but there are plenty of affordable options with excellent ingredients too. Always check the product labels, focusing on ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Remember, what matters most is finding the right products for your skin type and concerns, regardless of their price. For all the oily skin folks out there, listen up. One common myth is that moisturizers should be avoided if you have oily skin. But here's the reality: even oily skin needs hydration. Skipping moisturizer can cause your skin to produce even more oil to compensate for the lack of moisture. Instead, opt for oil-free or gel-based moisturizers, lightweight formulas that won't clog your pores. Keep your skin happy and balanced with the right moisturizer. Don't fall for the all-natural is always safe myth. While many natural ingredients have fantastic benefits, not all are suitable for every skin type. Take essential oils, for example. Some can be irritating and cause allergies. Always do a patch test before using any new product and research the ingredients to ensure they are safe for your skin. Remember, poison ivy is natural too, but you wouldn't want that on your face. And there you have it, our top skincare myths debunked. Remember, taking care of your skin is essential, and using science-based information is the way to go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And share it with your friends to spread the truth about skincare. If you have any skincare myths you want us to explore in the future, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.